So here they are on the turntable. Freaking sick. See the detailing on it? Toe box. Suede on the toe box. The leather on the toe. All the way up the tongue. Half canvas, half corduroy type. And the zipper on the top. Here's the other shoe. Here's the back of it. Sorry, my hands aren't too steady, but try my best. I like this, like the buttons can come off. To the medial side. Here's that side view. This is the side of the one of the sneakers. Maybe I can show the neck here and the insole a little better. There you go. It's not wanting to focus. There you go. Well, try my best. And then once again, the outsole. Just a crazy, crazy release. So, a big win for me. One out of how many released on the sneakers at, but we'll see if this brings more luck and I can hit on Air Jordans from now. Only time will tell. It's crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna post this up and see you guys in the next video. Peace. Damn, this video is gonna be like 30 minutes long. Sorry for everything, I just got to edit it all together. Later.